ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसम्भृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम। We are in shloka number 138, page number 294. Shloka we have seen, we were in the टीका. ज्ञान ज्ञेयादिवादे अतः सिद्धिर ज्ञातत्वमुच्यते अध्यक्ष अध्यक्ष्य अध्यक्षयोः सिद्धिर ज्ञेयत्वम न आत्मलाभता. In this context, at least some of you can tell me one sentence of what we discussed in last two classes. Let me hear from some of you.
Siddhi is Gnatata, not Swarupalabhata.
Atmalabhata. Correct. Anybody else?
Then the alternate two options were taken, whether that Siddhi is for itself or for Jada or Antakarana. And for both, it was said that Vidhi Vakya is needed.
Yes.
Atma will become known without becoming a Vishaya by Jnanam. Anatma will become known by becoming a Vishaya, but both will have to become known.
Okay. Anybody else wants to try? Or
through nimitta and upadana karanam, swatma labha siddhi is known.
what is that?
Through nimitta and upadana karanam.
Say that again.
Through nimitta and upadana karanam, swatma labha siddhi is known. Atma labha siddhi. Swa atma labha siddhi is known.
Okay. Okay, let us see now. So the Tika of 138 begins with Jnanam, Jneyam, Jnata. All these three are there. And you have adhyaksha means the knower, adhyakshya means the known. These two separate. And what is siddhi? As you guys said, the jnatata, not swatma labha. Okay. See the tika. We saw up to 294, fourth line, right? Aham ajñasisham cha idam iti arabhya iyata granthena kartrukarma karananam vidhimukhena pravritta pramanadev siddhir nanyatha iti prasangikam upapaditam upasamhritya adhyakshasyapi vastutva visheshat pravritta pramanadev siddhi iti prakrutam anusaran aha. So aham ajñasisham cha idam was shloka number 128. Starting from there, iyata granthena up to here, kartrukarma karananam vidhi mukhena pravritta pramana deva siddhi. For karta karma karana vidhi mukha pramanena siddhi. Na anyatha. Iti prasangikam upapaditam. Prasangavashat kartru karma karana, their discussion also happened. Mukhya discussion was about adhyaksha. That concluding that upasamhritya adhyakshasyapi vastutva avisheshat. Adhyaksha is also not different from this. Therefore, pravritta pramana deva siddhi. Vidhi pramana. Vidhi mukha pramanena siddhi. Prakritam anusaran aha adhyakshasyapi. Va shabda katakshe. Va shabda is there in 134. Adhyakshasyapi siddhi syat pramanena vinaiva va. So, Siddhanti is asking the question. Adhyakshasya siddhi pramanena syat, pramanena vinaiva syat. So, it is as if he is doing vikalpa. But why is kataksha? Without pramana, how the siddhi will happen? Adhyakshasya siddhi pramanena vina va syat, that va is kataksha. It is a taunt. It will not happen. Adhyakshasyapi drashtuhu api. Adhyaksha means drashta. Drashtuhu api pramanena vinaiva siddhi syat iti yojana means that is the vikalpa. Naiva syad ityartha, but it will not happen. Adhyakshasya siddhi, you need praman. Without pramana, siddhi will not happen. Now Purvapakshi will ask the question. Chetanatvat adhyakshasya pramanena vina katham na siddhihi. If it is chetana swarupa, adhyakshasya pramanena vina katham na siddhihi. Iti ataha vina iti. Adhyakshasya pramanena vina katham na siddhi. If it is Chetan Swarupa Adhyaksha, how without Pramana Siddhi will not happen? Means without Pramana Siddhi can happen. This is Purvapaksha's argument. Pramanena vina swasya. So all the pratika which is given, you have to refer to 134, 135 like that. One vina is second line of 134. Pramanena vina swasya vastunah prasiddhistu jnanam pramitim prati upayujyate. Jnanasyaiva swarupa spurane pramana anapeksha na jnatuhu adhyakshasya ityartha. Pramanena vina, without pramana, swasya vastunah siddhi, a thing which becomes known प्रसिद्धि, वस्तुनः प्रसिद्धिः तु ज्ञानं प्रमितिं प्रति उपयुज्यते. You need a pramiti of that vastu. Jnanasyaiva swarupa spurane. If it is jnanam, the vastu is jnanam. Jnanasyaiva swarupa spurane praman anapeksha. If that vastu is jnana swarupa, then its swarupa spurane pramana apeksha is not there. Means pramana is not needed for its spuranam. Jnana swarupa vastu spuranam pramana is not needed. Na jnatuhu adhyakshasya. Adhyaksha, which is a jnata, for its swarupa spuranam pramana apeksha is there. So there are two types of adhyaksha. You should remember. Means about Atma, there are different matams. So some people understand Atma as Jnanam. And some people understand Atma as Jnata. So this Vikalpa here is done between Jnanam and Jnata. If it is Jnana Swarupa, in the Swarupa Spuranam, you don't need Pramana. If it is Jnata, if the Adhyaksha is Jnata, you definitely need Pramana. If it is Jnanam, what is the nature of that Adhyaksha? Jnana Swarupa Adhyaksha. For that you need Pramana. This was discussed earlier. But see, when he says here, on 294, first line in Tika, Adhyakshasyapi ityadehe aparayojana. Aparayojana means he is not changing the meaning of the shlokas the way he had given. Shlokas are more or less in the same way. The sangati between the shlokas can be done differently. So here mostly you will see sangati is different. He just gives the sangati part. The shloka part, he just leaves it. I hope those who are not familiar with Sangati, I am assuming most of you are part of Brahma Sutra, so you know what is Sangati. Connection. Katham iti chet tatra vaktavyam. Katham, why do you say for Jnata Adhyaksha Pramana Apeksha is there? For Jnana Rupa Adhyaksha Swarupa Spuranam Pramana Apeksha is not there. Adhyaksha eva Agnyah san Pramanena vina Artha Siddhim Sadhayishyati Kimva Anyo Antakkaranadi iti. So this is the connection for the shloka 135 now. Tasyeva Agnatvam Anyasyeva Agnatvam. So he gives that here. Adhyaksha eva Agnyah san Pramanena vina Artha Siddhim Sadhayishyati. Adhyaksha means Atma, whatever is your understanding of Atma. Agnyah san, being unknown, Pramanena vina, without Pramana, Artha Siddhi, it will do, Sadhayishyati. Kimva Anya, Anya is Antakkaranadi. Tatra Adyam Anudya Dushayati, Tasyaiva. Tasya means Chetanasya Adhyakshasya. if that Adhyaksha is Chetana Swarupa and is Agnya, pramanena vina artha siddhim katham sadhayishyati. So you need jnanam. Jnanatve aham adhyaksha iti. Jnanavatve, so see, jnanatve means what Vedanti considers Atma. Atma is jnana swarupa. Jnanavatve. What is the difference between jnanatve and jnanavatve?
Like jnana is jnanavatve.
Jnanavatve will be ahankara, which will say I am Jnanavan.
Here vat is not like. Here vat is matu pratyaya. Jnanavat means like Bhagavat. Bhagavat it doesn't mean like Bhaga. Bhagavat means Bhagavan, the one who has Bhaga. So Jnanavat means the one who has Jnana. Either Atma is Jnana Swarupa or Atma is Jnanavan. Jnanavan means Atma Swayam is not Jnana Swarupa. Atma has Jnanam as its dharma. So Jnanavatve Anyamatihi Pravritta Pramana Janyamatihi Apekshita. If it is Jnanavan, like how Nyaya understands, Atma is Jnana Adhikarana. In that there is Jnanam as a dharma, then Anyamatihi, another Jnanam is required. What is that? Pravritta Pramana Janyamatihi Apekshita. Pravritta Pramana Janyamati. If there where Pramana becomes Pravritta and it produces understanding about this Atma, that is required. Matihi Apekshita Bhavet. आगंतुक सिद्धेर अन्य निमित्तत्वात् इत्यर्थः. Because this is आगंतुक सिद्धि. It is not already known to, because it is not Jnana Swarupa. Jnana Swarupa Atma is also known. But Jnana Swarupa Atma is also not known. Whereas that Jnanavan Atma is always not known. Jnana Swarupa Atma is known because only when it is known, other things are known. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarva. Without knowing Atma, anything else can become known is not possible. So it is Swarupataha Jnana Swarupa. Sphurana Rupa. But avidya is still there. And that for avidya nivritti, you need pramana, you need pramanjanya vritti, everything. So pramanena artha siddhi. So that is where he says you need vidhimukha pramana. You need vidhimukha pramanam to reveal Swayam Prakasha Chaitanya Swarupa Atma, which is known as Asmi Bhami. Aham Asmi, Aham Bhami. This much is known. Aham Asamsari, this is not known. Aham Aparichinna, this is not known. Aham Jagat Karanam, this is not known. So for that, I need pramana vritti. I need shastra. For other darshanas where Atma is not Jnana Swarupa, it is not Swayam Prakasha. Something else they think is Swayam Prakasha. Atma is Jada. So then you definitely need Pramanajanya Vritti. आगंतुक सिद्धे है अन्य निमित्तत्वात् इत्यर्थः. Any आगंतुक सिद्धि will require something else as nimitta. So for adhyaksha, if it is jada, you need anya nimitta. Dvitiyam anudya dushayati. Dvitiya vikalpa. So first vikalpa was अध्यक्ष एव अग्न्यः सन् प्रमाणेन विना अर्थ सिद्धिं साधयष्यति. दिस इज विकल्प 1. विकल्प 2 इज अन्यस्य. अन्य इज अंतःकरण. अंतःकरणादिः. अन्यस्य एव तद्विज्ञाने इति. So this was said in अन्यस्य एव is 135, line number 2. अन्यस्यैव अज्ञतायां च तद्विज्ञाने ध्रुवा भवेत्. ध्रुवा प्रमाणाधीना सिद्धिः भवेत्. अन्यस्यैव अज्ञतायां. If ahankar is agnya, means if it is not known, ajnata, then तद्विज्ञाने, for that अंतःकरणादि विज्ञान और अहंकार विज्ञान, I need प्रमाण वृत्ति. तस्य अन्यस्य अंतःकरणादेः अध्यक्ष विषय विज्ञाने अन्या प्रमाणजन्या मतिर् ध्रुवा भवेत् इति योजना. This is simple. For that अन्य अंतःकरणादेः, अंतःकरण is अहंकार you take. For that अहंकार अध्यक्ष विषय विज्ञाने, अहंकार which is the adhyaksha. So either first vikalpa was adhyaksha is Atma which is Chaitanya Rupa. Second vikalpa is Atma which is Karta Bhokta, which is not Jnana Swarupa. Jnanam is its dharma. This is second vikalpa. Two types of understandings. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar says either way you need Vidhimukha Pramanam. Main Pratipadanam is of this Vidhimukha Pramanam. So अंतःकरणादेः अध्यक्ष विषय विज्ञाने अन्या प्रमाणजन्या मतिः ध्रुवा भवेत्. Then definitely you need other mati, other jnanam, which is pramanajanyam. That pramanas prameya will be adhyaksha. So adhyaksha vishaya vijnane anya matihi. So then if adhyaksha is prameya, because you need adhyaksha vishaya vijnanam, adhyaksha is prameya. Some other pramanam you need, let's say shastra pramanam. And who will become pramata?
In that paksha, antakarana is pramata.
Antakarana becomes adhyaksha.
And who is the prameya? What is the prameya?
Adhyaksha is the prameya in that paksha.
Atma is the pramana.
But here it is given, tasya antakaranadehe adhyaksha vishaya vijnane anya pramanajanya matihi dhruva bhavet.
Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya is the Pramata.
Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya is Pramata and Antakarana is Prameya. Antakarana is always with Vishishta Chaitanya only. Antakarana will never be available without Chaitanya. When Adhyaksha becomes Prameya, then the only Pramanam will be Sakshi. If you try to know, let us think of it this way. In Nyaya Darshan, when we study Atma, so this Atma is, we don't think it is Atma is me, but Atma is Antakarana. Or whenever in Vedanta also, when we study about Antakarana, or when we want to know about what is this Antakarana Chatushtaya. So Antakarana has to become Prameya. Mana, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. In order to know any of this, you have to accept Sakshi. So whenever there is discussion, in discussion, we may not think of it as the subject. Means it is talking about the I itself. We may think some Ahankara, some Antakarana. But if you are watching your own mind, if you are watching your own Ahankara, then Ahankara becomes Prameya. At that time, the illuminator is Sakshi only. So this we had discussed, I had explained this, that Pramata with identification with Sakshi will become the knower. And the Jada Amsha, about which we are trying to get the Jnana, what it is, it will become the Prameya. So what was said earlier, that Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya, but that where Chaitanya is predominant, that is the knower. And the Jada aspect is, remember, Jada aspect is known, but Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya is knower means only Sakshi is going to illuminate. And I will have objective knowledge of the subject. I will have the objective knowledge of the subject. Paroksha Jnanam. Because when I want to internalize, I will have to leave that part. That it is not object. As soon as it comes as the subject, Sakshi alone will know it as through Avidya Vritti, not through Antakarana Vritti anymore. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
उभयथापि विधिमुखेन प्रवृत्त प्रमाणादेव अध्यक्ष सिद्धिर इत्यर्थः. Either way, विधिमुख प्रमाणेन एव अध्यक्ष सिद्धिः. ज्ञातता इति. Now this is ज्ञातता and आत्मलाभ. ज्ञातता ज्ञानवत्ता सिद्धिः इति पक्षे तस्यैव अज्ञत्वम् इष्टं चेत्. So that tasya Agnatvam, if you say, इष्टं चेत् पूर्वश्लोकोक्त विकल्प दूषण प्रसरणम अनिवारणम स्यात् इत्याह. Purva shloka means in the 136 shloka. What is siddhi? Jnatata or swatmalabha? Jnatatve anantaroktau tvam pakshau samsmartum arhasi. So then you have to remember the tasyaiva ajñatvam means you have to remember 135. What we already discussed just now. तस्यैव अज्ञातम् इष्टं चेत् इति पूर्व श्लोकोक्त विकल्प दूषण प्रसरणम. The vikalpa, either way you need vidhi mukha pramanam, that is anivaranam. You cannot avoid that. Syat anivaranam syad ityah jnatatve anantaroktau iti yatha vyakhyatou swapakshau ityarthah. How we explained our paksha is very clear. Anyat samanam. Everything else is same. This concludes 138. Nanu jnatata atmalabhatiriktapi asti spashtata nama siddhi ato na prasiddham pakshantaram iti bhattamatam ashankya pariharati. Jnatata atmalabha atiriktapi asti siddhi. You did only two vikalpas. There is third one also called spashtata. And therefore you cannot say aprasiddham pakshantaram. Pakshantara is still prasiddha. Iti bhattamatam ashankya pariharati. Kumaril Bhatta, they call something as spashtata. Actually, this spashtata is not different from jnatata when it comes to atma. See the shloka. Pariharati. Spashtatvam karma kartra dehe siddhita yadi kalpyate spashtata spashtate syata manyasyaiva na chatmanah. Spashtatvam karma kartra dehe siddhita yadi kalpyate spashtata spashtate syata manyasyaiva na chatmanah. Yadi Siddhanti will say, Yadi karma kartra dehe spashtatvam siddhita kalpyate tvaya. If you are doing this kalpana, that karma kartra dehe spashtatvam, karma karta means pramata, prameya, pramana, their spashtatvam. What is spashtatvam? Tikakar says, prakatyam. Spashta means they becoming manifest. Spashta is not clear here. Spashta here means becoming manifest. If they are manifest, then they become known. That is siddhita, prakatya. Like ghata is aprakata, now ghata has become prakata, prakatya in my buddhi. So he says, spashtata spashtate anyasyaiva syatam na cha atmanah. This spashtata aspashtata is only for things other than atma. That anya is ahankara, what we saw earlier in 135 second line. That anyasyaiva is that ahankara. Ahankar has spashtata, aspashtata. Any other anatma. Spashtata cha, aspashtata cha, iti spashtata spashtate. Dvandva samasa. Anyasyeva syatam. Tika. Spashtatvam prakatyam. Karma karta dehe. Karma karta them becoming spashta. Spashtata, aspashtata, aspashtata spashtate api. Anyasyaiva kartradi vilakshanasya साक्षिणस् चिदाभास जननेन स्याता न तो आत्मना. He says sakshina. Sakshi here means something which is, here sakshi doesn't mean Satchidatma Sakshi. This sakshi means something which is different, anya, which is not karma, karta, etc. So, vilakshana, that sakshi here means something which is not involved is jada vastu, na tu atmana. Why? Kartradi swarupasya jada. Sakshina, something which is another jada padartha, chidabhas jananena spashtata aspashtata syata. Means in regard to jada vastu, साक्षिणः चिदाभास जननेन, you can do here Vaiyadikaranyam between Kartradi Vilakshana Sakshi, which will produce Chidabhasa. By that Chidabhasa, Kartradi Vilakshanasya Chidabhasa Jananena Spashtata Aspashtata Anyasyeva Syata. Anyasya Anatmana. Not to Atmana. Atma does not need Spashtata Aspashtata. That Vikalpa itself is not there in Atma. So Kartradi are Jada. Tad Vilakshana Sakshi. Sakshinaha Chidabhasa Jananena. Sakshi ka Chidabhas. In this way you can take. But Atma doesn't have Spashtata Aspashtata. In Hindi Tika they have given slightly different way. Spashtata Aspashtata will be of the Sakshi, he says. Arthat Jada Padartha, which is Jada Padartha. But I don't know how that way we should take. Instead, just say Sakshinaha Chidabhasa Tasya Janane. Chidabhasa Janya Syatam Spashtata Aspashtata. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.